Hello my dear lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I explained questions 6 to 10, chapter 2, lines and angles based on the Olympiad level problems. In this video, we will continue from where we left off and the questions are 11 to 15 with a clear explanation. So the 11th question is how many lines can be drawn passing through the two given points. The options are A1, B2, C3 and D infinite. These are the 2 points I kept. First, I am drawing one straight line that can be drawn through both points. These points are I am keeping A and B and this is one straight line. Again, I am going to connect or drawn these 2 points like this. This is not a straight line. So, there are infinitely many curves that can pass through 2 points but only one straight line drawn passing through 2 points. So the option A is correct. Moving to the 12th question. The 12th question is which of the following statements is incorrect? The given 4 options. The A option is line AB is same as line BA. The B option line segment AB is same as line segment BA. C option ray AB is same as ray BA. The last option D is AB is parallel to CD is same as CD is parallel to AB. So we have to find the incorrect option. Let's see, the option A is line AB is same as line BA. So line is defined by 2 points and extend infinitely in both directions. So the option A is correct. Next, line segment AB is same as line segment BA. A line segment is defined by two endpoints since AB and BA have the same endpoints. Next, C is ray AB is same as ray BA. A ray has a starting point and extends infinitely in one direction. Ray AB starts at A and goes through B towards infinity, while BA ray starts at B and goes through A towards infinity. So the C option is incorrect. Last one, DAB is parallel to CD is same as CD is parallel to AB. So the option C is incorrect. Next, moving to the 13th question, how many minimum number of right angles are formed when our hand moves from 11 to 5? The given 4 options. The option A is 1, B 2, C is 3 and D is 4. Here I drawn a clock. If you observe the angles between 11 to 12, it will be acute angle. Next, 11 to 1 also acute angle. 11 to 2, it form a right angle. Next, 11 to 3, it is obtuse angle. Next, 11 to 4 also, it will be obtuse angle. Next, 2 to 5, it is again forms a right angle. So in this we got two right angles. There are two right angles formed when our hand moves from 11 to 5. The option B is correct. The 14th question is observe the given figure and select the correct option. The given 4 options. A is angle POS less than angle TOS. B is angle POS greater than angle TOS. C is angle QOR equals to angle POS and D is all of this. If you see, angle POS is obtuse angle, angle TOS is acute angle. So angle POS is more than the angle TOS. The first option is wrong. In the question they asked select the correct option. Next, B1 angle POS is greater than TOS. Yes, angle POS is obtuse angle more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Angle TOS is acute angle equals to less than 90 degrees. So the B option is correct. And the angle QOR is not equals to angle POS. Next, moving to the last question, 15th one, how many acute angles are there inside the given figure? The given 4 options, A is 20, B is 18, C is 21 and D is 24. We know that acute angles are less than 90 degrees. If you count the angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Total acute angles, 21 acute angles are there inside the figure. So the option C is correct. If you want to recheck the answer, you just do one thing. First count the triangles. How many triangles are there? There are totally 7 triangles are there and 3 angles in each triangle. So 7 3s are 21 triangles are there. Like this we have to count the angles, acute angles in triangles. I hope you understand how to solve these type of problems. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.